Good morning students of class 9th. In the previous video we have discussed about green revolution, and as we were studying the story of village Palampur, so we will now learn that what are some of the non farming activities done in the villages. So the first of all and the foremost non farming activity done in the villages other than farming, the activity done in villages is cottage industry. Okay, cottage industry. And now let us understand the concept of cottage industry, that what is a cottage industry. So बच्चों, cottage industry एक ऐसी इंडस्ट्री होती है जिसमें काम घर में होता है, right? Means a industry set up within a person's house, like if there is it is house, and in that very house the production work is done by the people living there, then it is known as cottage industry. Okay, cottage industry if the production is done within the house. Like there is a person making let me give an example of achar and papad, right? In the villages it is very common practice that many people who are doing their work, and in the cottage industry in their house only they make food items like there is pickles, achar or papad, and after making that they supply it in the cities. Okay, so that is a cottage industry. In India there is a wide range of handicraft being manufactured in the people's house, and in the villages it is a common practice that people manufacture handicraft in the houses, and after manufacturing of the handicrafts they supply it in the villages, in the fairs they sell it. So cottage industry is such type of an example, and it is mainly practiced in the rural areas of the country. Okay. After cottage industry, another practice done in India is dairy farming. In the villages, as people have a lot of land, and on that land they also have cattle. Okay, so when they have cattle, they rear them like cows, buffaloes. Cattle are the organisms or the animals which give milk. Okay, so they rear them, they rear them. After rearing they take their milk and sell it in the market. So such type of industry is known as dairy farming, in which the milk of the cattle is sold. Basically it includes cows and buffaloes. So the milk of the cows and buffaloes is taken, and after that it is sold in the market, and such a practice is known as dairy farming. After dairy farming, a common practice is done like dairy farming only, that is poultry farming. The basic difference between dairy farming and poultry farming is that in dairy farming the milk is produced by the cattle, and after the production of the milk is taken from those animals and it is sold in the market. On the other hand, in the poultry farming it is done basically of chickens, and the eggs of the chickens are sold. First of all the chickens are reared, they are domesticated by the people. After being domesticated, the reared milk, the reared chickens are sold in the market. Either they are sold for their meat or they are sold for their eggs. Okay, the eggs of the chickens are sold. So that is poultry farming. Okay, these three are the basic activities done in any village. These are the basic activities done by the villagers of the area. Okay. After that there are two basic activities shown, that is first one is shopkeeping and other is transport. Shopkeeping and transport is done by a small number of people, but it is also a activity. The basic activity other than farming in the villages is cottage industry, dairy farming and poultry farming. Okay, now let us talk about shopkeeping. In shopkeeping, small farmers open their shops. Okay, and after opening their shops they sell their goods to the customers. Like there may be small shops of food items, there may be small shops of stationery, there may be small shop of gift items. Okay, so what do the shopkeeper do? They purchase material, they purchase the raw material from the cities and from the wholesalers, and after purchasing that raw material from the cities, the wholesalers, the shopkeepers sell it in the village area, so it is known as shopkeeping. Okay, and the fourth and the last industry done is the transportation. Okay, what is transportation? Transportation is one of the industry which is very practiced in the small areas like villages. Like when we go from one place to another, we require some auto or any three-wheeler or any vehicle to move from one place to another, and on rent they take us. Okay, like if we will give them 10 rupees, they will take us from one place to another place. So that is the industry practiced in the small villages. So that is the transport industry. In the transport industry, it is said that in the transport industry, first of all, a capital is required, means some investment is required. Okay, some investment, or you can say in layman's language, some money is required, and that money is very useful because whenever you are starting a business for a transport, you will need some vehicle. Like if you are starting a vehicle for transport, you will require a car or a tempo or an auto. So for that you will have to spend some money at the initial stage. Okay, so for spending that money you will require that money. Okay, so you will be requiring investment. So in all the 5 industries mentioned here, or in the 5 non-farming activities mentioned here, transport industry is the industry which require the most capital at the starting, because in all the 4 there is a small amount of capital required at the beginning, but in the transport industry a large amount of capital is required. Okay students, so I hope you would have understood that what are the non-farming activities done in the rural areas. Okay, so in the next video we will be discussing the next chapter of your book, because this chapter is complete now. Till then, take care and thank you.